Good afternoon, my viewers. Today we are with Mr. Shailendra Singh. He is Head of Sales and Marketing Asia, Evonik, Thailand. Hello, Mr.
Hello,
Shailendra
Dinesh.
Singh. Sir, my first question to you, as a head of Evonik, Thailand, please introduce yourself and tell about your responsibilities in Evonik Asia.
Thanks, Dinesh, for having me. So I'm managing the Asia Pacific sales and marketing function for active oxygen business of Evonik. And as a company, we are into multiple things. But I will just relate to this this thing to poultry itself. So our offering to the market is about green solutions or green chemistries for biosecurity in the farm as well as the processing houses of Asia Pacific.
What are your views about participation here in China? You told me that this is your first time to be in VIV China.
Yes. So the way we operate or we are working in this poultry industry is we go country by country. So in 2023 we participated in Middle East Poultry Expo, and from there we moved to Vietnam, ILDEX in Vietnam, again a poultry show, then Indonesia, then Philippines. So every year we target one country for our exhibition, and the reason is that after you do one exhibition, there's a lot of work which needs to be done, follow through needs to do,
the follow-up and the other things.
And all. And that is precisely the reason we, first goal for us in these shows is that we are replacing chlorine with a green chemistry called peracetic acid. And wherever we are going, there's no awareness about it. People do not know that they can control salmonella to the extent of 95% to 97% negative levels through green chemistry. They are using chlorine, they are getting salmonella almost 50% in their final product, which is going to the end customer. So that awareness creation and then making them understand how it needs to be done. So when we do this exhibition, then we have a couple of big poultry houses interested with the product line. Then we visit, the survey their plants, we give them intervention points. So typically it takes a year at least for the whole process. We give equipment, the supply chain, our technical people go. That is why our strategy is that one country 1 year is good enough. So China has been lagging for a while we covered ASEAN and you can say part of Middle East. Now this year we moved to China to start our inroads, replacing chlorine with a green chemistry.
Chemistry. Is it dangerous that you say that 50% of salmonella removed by that and the rest of the 50%
stays? So
when it's not good for.
It's not. You see, salmonella is the biggest food poisoning. If you see, whenever you hear food poisoning and death related to food poisoning is coming because of salmonella, campylobacter, these type of pathogens.
It's a big threat.
It's a threat. It's a big threat to. You would have heard many times, H1N1. The flocks are wiped out.
Yes.
Right. So all these things are because of lack of the proper hygiene and lack of biosecurity program with the right chemistries. And our goal is to give the customers end-to-end solution, that from farm until fork, what needs to be done so that the food is safe for the end consumer to consume.
That's important. Sir, tell me about your journey in Evonik. You started from where, when, and how it comes to Evonik, Thailand.
Okay, Evonik acquired our company because Evonik was a joint venture to Thai peroxide until 2023. And 2023, Evonik acquired the full, you can say, 50% of this company and became 100% Evonik. Regarding my journey in this role, I joined in Thailand in 2013 in our hydrogen peroxide plant, which belonged to Aditya Birla and FMC. Formerly, FMC is a agricultural chemical company as well. So from there, we gradually moved from, we were supplying to paper and textile, this product, hydrogen peroxide. Then gradually we shifted our focus towards profitable products of, food grade hydrogen peroxide, which goes for your Tetra Pak paper cleaning. Whenever you drink anything, you are, the paper is sanitized with our product. So all customers in India like Amul, Parle, all are using our product. We have 80% share there. So then we moved to food grade, then we moved to semiconductor grade. So when you see the phone, the chips of the phone is powered with hydrogen peroxide in the process. So we supplied to semicon, then we added solar segment, we added starch, and then a couple of years back we started with poultry.
Oh, great.
The goal was that while we see that there was a lot of problem with chlorine as a chemistry in the processing, and most of the processor was struggling with exports, because when you want to export your product, you need to have practically zero salmonella in the container going out.
Exactly.
And we saw that a lot of processors struggling with this because of chlorine chemistry. Then we designed the whole biosecurity program from end to end. I know what we need to do in farm. So for farm, we created solution for chicken drinking water, because that is the primary source of your biofilm starting point. Then we have a slaughterhouse program, wherein we go to slaughterhouse, we do the whole survey of slaughterhouse and identify the intervention points, 2 or 3 intervention points. And after identifying that, we tell these points to the customer. We give them a comprehensive program that we will manage the whole end-to-end biosecurity for you. And we put the dosing system, we put the chemicals, and then we also, to a certain extent, automate it with AI and digitize it. So on your cell phone, our customers can see consumption of PAA today, how much ppm, what line is running. So this is the comprehensive program we designed for last couple of years, and now we are offering that in different countries year on year.
Great. Very well informed. It's just most of the things are new to me also, and for the industry I think so they will be benefited for this information. Sir, my next question to you: what Evonik offers to the world and how different are the approaches? I think it's same to the last question, but any your different approaches what are?
When we came in Evonik, the way I see this company is that it's a company primarily driven by innovation.
Yes.
So a company which always thinks about a future, and parallelly innovation with sustainability. That's a part of DNA of Evonik as well, that we will not do anything which is not sustainable, but just innovation. So we blend these two elements of innovation, sustainable innovation, while we do anything for future. I give you a simple example. We collaborated with Pfizer when COVID came in. Evonik product ingredient is inside the Pfizer vaccine. So
yes.
If you have Pfizer vaccine in your body, you already have Evonik inside you.
Yes.
So these are the things which Evonik does. I mean, this is a company which has a very strong, ethical standards, and every year, thousands of scientists are continuously working on creating future products, future solutions, and solving the problems of the whole society. So we are into aerospace. We are into hydrogen peroxide is powering 95% plus is powering your rockets going into the space. Food, polymers. We are strengthening the tire of the car through our silica. We are all the chips, as I mentioned to you.
Yes.
Feature is renewable. The solar panels are using hydrogen peroxide for the manufacturing of the panel. So water treatment when you are drinking water, swimming pools. So in a way, Evonik touches the human life by, I would say from end to end,
End to end.
And our goal primarily is to create a sustainable planet. And if you see our chemistry, hydrogen peroxide, the moment you put peroxide on any surface, it breaks into water and oxygen. So that is our goal, that to have a zero footprint on the environment and contribute to the society with our solutions.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Shailendra. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Dinesh.